What happened?
Oh no.
Okay, we need a measuring cup. Let me get it real quick.
Why? Why? Why?
What are you guys making, Tyler?
We're making some. I have a chef. I have a chef coat on.
Are you a chef?
Yeah. I'm making pancakes with it.
Okay, get something.
Okay. I don't know. Can I get some for? Can I get some more wood?
Yep, let me get Lorraine Mountain here.
Can I do that now?
Yep, dump it in.
I dumped it in here.
Are they going to be yummy pancakes?
Yeah.
What else are we going to have for breakfast?
Daddy making on the stove.
Some bacon.
Bacon.